Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope y'all doing well, having a really great day. Today I have an Iceriver KS3. This is an 8.2 terahash model, around 3,300 watts, or specifically around 3329, 30 watts at the wall here. And I am actually at about 50% fan speed. So the noise right now is really not that bad, you know, about 72, 73 decibels. Okay, not too bad. And we also did the live stream of unboxing this guy, and we actually took it apart as well because I did hear some metal noises inside. Even when I had the box all closed up, when I was carrying it, I was hearing a lot of movement inside the Iceriver KS3 here. So we took that apart, looked at all the hash boards, made sure everything was good, and ultimately it's good. It's good. So here we are. This video, guys, I just want to do an overview, like a review of this Iceriver KS3 for anyone that is interested in one of these ASICs, because right now Kaspa has been, I would say, really prominent over the past, I don't know, since the beginning of this year. Kaspa has just been on an uptrend. Now it's about 7.3 cents as of recording this video, and it's just been continually going up, and there's been like just a massive journey with these Iceriver ASICs and other ASICs and FPGAs and GPU mining in the beginning. You know, it's just been quite a crazy year for Kaspa mining over the past year. But anyways, I want to thank Crypto Miner Bros for sending this to me. I did work out a deal with them, and I did pay for this Iceriver KS3. So I want to ask you guys the question: how should I get my initial investment back on this Iceriver KS3? You know, the good old strategy of mining and hodling, or, you know, mining into BTC, or, you know, mining into USDT, whatever. I want to gauge your guys' opinions down below. All right, let me know down below what you guys think I should do, how to break even on this. I've already been doing a bunch of other tests with a KS1. I'll show on the screen here how much that's worth. Since I mined that, when I started it, and how much Kaspa it's mined thus far. So I'm gonna have to say that this is like a third batch of Iceriver KS3. I'm not quite sure. I've lost track regarding batches. And so these, I know, essentially these have come out since June of this year. So the days of, you know, mining thousands upon thousands of Kaspa in the early days is no longer like that. I think as of recording right now, the profitability of this is about $140, $150 a day, yielding about, I think, 2,300 Kaspa a day on the Iceriver KS3 currently. Looking at the network hash rate for Kaspa right now, you guys can see it's over 50 petahash and continues to climb, obviously. But that's, you know, due to really a lot of hype. A lot of people have been interested into Kaspa mining recently, as you all know. Anyways, guys, first impressions of the Iceriver KS3. It's, I would say, decent, okay? The shipping box, I'll start with this first. I am not too fond of their, I don't know, this foam padding seems pretty weak to me. Ultimately, though, it's enough. Comparing it to, I'd say, Bitmain or maybe WhatsMiner packaging, I'd have to say was much better than Iceriver packaging here, as well as I think Bitmain, in my opinion, has a little bit better packaging than the Iceriver. Their cardboard box seems to be fairly thin compared to the other boxes that are out there, like from WhatsMiner or Bitmain. So I'm gonna have to give the Iceriver box a C+. It's not that strong at all, and I think they could have done a little bit better in the packaging material. Also, there's a bit of spacing in between like the box and the foam, and so there was a lot of movement inside. So I'm not sure if that is something that was supposed to be like that, but as you guys can see the gap, I think just to protect it a bit more, they need a bit more foam on the sides and stuff, and yeah. But yeah, it doesn't come with a power cable. Okay, you're gonna have to utilize, for anyone that's interested in a KS3, is going to need a C19 to C20 plug, okay? And I recommend that you go to infinitecables.com to buy those types of cables, okay? I highly recommend it. I'll have a link down below. Really good, thick gauge cables for your ASIC miners in general. So now on to the KS3 itself, all right? This is a 8 terahash model, or 8.2 terahash model. We did do a firmware update in that live stream, and initially out of the box we were only getting like 7.5 terahash. Then we went to the Iceriver.io website and did the firmware update, and that brought it up to about 8.5 terahash. And I can verify with you guys here, 8.4, 8.5. I've seen it fluctuate to like 9.4 as well. And as of recording, I've had it on for about 18 hours, and here is the web GUI and such. You guys can see here. Here's the hash boards. There's 3 different hash boards. Here's the temperatures of the KS3. It's really not that bad. Okay, under 50, 60 degrees Celsius. I have the fan speed set at 50% right now. So it's pretty quiet. Like, I don't have to talk too loud. You guys can tell. And comparing it to maybe like the WhatsMiner, that thing is really loud, or maybe an S19J Pro Bitmain S19, it's also loud. But otherwise, it's been working good. I've been mining to via BTC, and I can show you guys the pool. At the pool side, it's hovering around 10-minute average, 8.56 terahash. Okay, so with this firmware update, just from the Iceriver website, iceriver.io, it's been doing pretty good over the past hour, 10 minutes here. I haven't had it on a full 24 hour, but yeah, it's been doing good in this regard. There is something I want to try, okay, regarding the Iceriver KS3. There apparently is a firmware that we may be able to go up to like 8.7 or maybe 9 terahash. I haven't confirmed exactly, but the caveat to that for me trying it for anyone is to get rid of the fans and put on a Fruition Designs shroud kit, which I think I have, but I think it's for the KS1s. Or KS2. So I'm gonna look into getting the KS3 kit, and then we're gonna plop in one of these AC Infinity fans that it'll offset the power consumption of the 120 mil fans on the KS3. So that'll help with the power supply, because the power supply currently on here is a 3400 watt power supply. So if we were to do the overclocking, like the gentleman told me about the overclock here, it would go past 3400 watts. So that's not going to be feasible with these current fans. So the idea here is to take out both the fans in the front and in the back, and then put on the Fruition Designs silencer kit so that we can alleviate the power from here and put that on like a 120 volt for the AC Infinity fan and see if we can get higher. I'm willing to try that. That's gonna be later down the road. Just want to give you guys an update about that. But otherwise, guys, yeah, the Iceriver KS3 here has been working just fine over the past day here as of testing. And yeah, this thing is quite a monster. Obviously, the profitability, it's really nice right now. I don't really think I need to talk about the risks. I think I've talked about that in many other videos, but you guys understand, for anyone deciding to purchase one of these things, it's really going to come down to if you believe in the Kaspa price, which has been on an upward trend since the beginning of like January of this year. And that's also going to depend on how many more people are going to be investing, you know, in these types of ASIC miners, and also like the Windminer K9, which was announced, which is I think 11 terahash. Who knows? There's going to be maybe more different Iceriver ASICs that are going to be coming about here real soon, and maybe there's going to be more price drops. But for anyone that is deciding to buy one of these, go check out Crypto Miner Bros down below. I have the link down below. They have a bunch of other Kaspa ASIC models down below for anyone that's interested. So guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a short and sweet one overview of this Iceriver KS3. I'm going to be making a specific how-to channel, how to set up a Iceriver KS3 on Crypto Miner Bros YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to talk about the power, talk about the web GUI, you know, how to set it up. It's honestly very easy, but I know there's a lot of people out there who are new getting into the crypto mining space, especially for Kaspa mining, as it's been so prevalent and profitable over the past, I don't know, year or so here. But who knows if it's going to be good for the next while here or longer, as maybe the bull run's coming. There's a lot of risks involved in buying these things, but you guys should definitely do your own research, do your due diligence when it comes to purchasing something like this. But if you are going to purchase something like this, I trust Crypto Miner Bros. I've been partnered with them for the past 4 years, and so you can't go wrong with that. All right, my friends, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out.